Hey guys. Alright, this is another weird light setup here. Alright. Got one light switch here that goes to these three front lights here. Alright, that's okay. Alright, and got two light switches right here that do the same thing. Now, turn this off, alright? Alright, turn off the top one. All of the lights dim. Alright, turn it back on. It's full on. And turn off the bottom switch. It's dim again. It's the same thing. Both on, full brightness. Top one, dim. Put it back on, full. The bottom one, off. I don't know. This might affect the light bulbs. I don't know. That is so weird. And right here is these two lights here. See them? Incandescent, dimmer. And one more thing. Alright, this is the same setup here too. All of these are the same setup. Alright, but this is the only room that has LED lights here. See them? And they also dim too. So, yeah, they're the same setup, same light switch setup. Well, that is kind of weird too. But, alright guys, until next time.